There are a couple of updates we are going to get on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, including the best in the business Snapdragon 2, which will be overclocked. But there are some recent benchmarks who share the different story regarding the base model Galaxy S23. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to this channel. As per recent benchmarks, Galaxy S23 scored 578 single-core score and 2118 multi-core score, which is so unreal, but the device name is SM-S911B, which is the Galaxy S23 base model with the 8GB of RAM. And even this confirms the overclocked CPU, which is 3.36 GHz instead of 3.19 on the base model Snapdragon 2. As per previous benchmarks, the chipset scored around 1504 single-core score and 4580 multi-core score. Still, it is less than base model. It should have to be over 5000 mark, but these new benchmarks are totally unbelievable. As the device is in testing phase, we can see some ups and downs. Maybe these figures were collected while on power sync mode, nobody knows. And if these figures are real, then this is horrible. Although benchmarks don't matter these days, but going too low is also not a good option. In addition to higher clock speed, the new Snapdragon 2 is also way more power efficient than expected. It will come with a 40% CPU power efficiency and 45% GPU power efficiency. Let me know in the comments, do you guys think benchmarks really matters? Apart from getting a new processor, a new news is out from exynos regarding the speakers of Galaxy S23 Ultra. And according to him, S23 Ultra will going to come with more bass in speakers, simply boosting bass of speakers on Galaxy S23 Ultra. Another big news is here regarding the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and that is the release date is almost confirmed, which is earlier than expected. As you might know, and I have already made a video about that, Samsung didn't decide the price for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and for that reason, we may see Galaxy S23 Ultra a bit later than the S22 Ultra. But a new report is here, and according to exynos, S23 Ultra will going to launch on 1st of Feb 2023, which is way earlier than expected. And if this is real one, we can expect S23 Ultra in stores after 1 week, somewhere between 8 to 10 Feb. And if we didn't get S23 Ultra on 1st Feb, then we surely get S23 Ultra in the first week of Feb. If you guys want to get a new fingerprint scanner on the S23 Ultra, then I have a good news for you. S23 Ultra will going to feature a new ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which is a new exclusive under-display fingerprint scanner. If you guys want to see the real first look of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.